3 reasons why video marketing so important. Well, here's the 3 reasons why you want to be doing video marketing, making videos, and why you should use videos for your business. First of all, it's branding. Second of all, it's getting eyeballs to your company or business for free. For 3, it's what everybody's doing. It's the biggest trend today, and it's growing every single day, folks. In 2020, that's all you're going to see for advertising is videos, 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 videos. So, now's the time to start using videos to advertise your business. They're not hard to make, and for less than 10 minutes of your time, you can get tons of traffic, which means eyeballs, which means free views, which means branding for your opportunity or yourself or your online business marketing, network marketing business. So why not start video marketing today? Learn it, folks. Learn how to use long tail keywords because those are the easiest to rank. Learn the steps. Learn the correct way how to rank your channels on YouTube, because without all this knowledge, you're not going to get the views that you deserve. You're not going to make the money you deserve. So all you have to do to start is click the link below, go over, grab a copy of this, and start learning video marketing today. Remember to click that link in the description below, grab a copy, and start video marketing for your business today. Because without it, you will sink. And I'm not talking a few feet sinking in the water. I'm talking you will fail all the way to the bottom. You will sink to the bottom of the ocean in 2 years if you don't start using video marketing. It's facts. It's the truth. Ask anybody that is killing it with video marketing. They will tell you that's the easiest and the greatest way to get exposure, to get sales, and to connect with other people is video marketing, folks. So click that link below. Hope to see you on the inside.